This is the easy way to play Somebody to Love by Queen so that you can sing along.
Can anybody find me somebody to love?
Now there are only 4 parts to learn, and if you can play them, you can play the entire song. A quick tip is that in the right hand there are 4 main positions you're going to use. This one, this one, this one, and this one. If you can practice them in the right hand, most of the song is going to be super easy. Let's move on to part 1. Play this A flat chord, an E flat over G like this, an F minor 7 chord, a D flat chord, keep that right hand still and play D flat over E flat, back down to a D flat chord, A flat over C, D flat over E flat again, and back to A flat. Part 2 is the busiest part. We start off similar to part 1, and then this is where it changes. Go back to A flat, to B flat 7, and then E flat. Then we do those first 3 chords again, A flat, E flat over G, to F minor 7. Then we jump to that B flat 7 chord, to the E flat. Then we go to the A flat chord again, to B flat 7, and then E flat. Stay on that E flat, go down to a B flat 7 over D, and then to your E flat, and finish on a D flat chord. The third part starts with a D flat chord like this, then we jump up to this G flat major chord, then just move that top pinky note there, G flat minor chord, then we're going to jump to a B flat 7 chord, third to last chord here, E flat, then we go to A flat over E flat, and then back to that E flat chord. The very last part is the easiest. We're playing this A flat, then we're going to jump to a D flat over A flat, and back to that A flat. And it's quite a quick rhythm, like that. A flat to there. That's how all the 4 parts go. Learn them, and then I'll show you right now how to put them all together so that you can play the whole song.
Can anybody find me somebody to love? Each morning I get up, I die a little, can barely stand on my feet. Take a look in the mirror and cry, what you doing to me? I've spent all my years believing you, but I just can't get no relief. Lord, somebody, can anybody find me somebody to love? Every day I try, but everybody wants to put me down. They say I'm going crazy. They say I've got a lot of water in